pretty good. Little old avalanche here. Drone follow. I think I'm about set here. Put on my skins and yeah, it should be everything. Get my boots. This is my staging area. Kind of remodeled it. I think it was a little over a year ago. Second winter. Packs. Suits. Odds and ends gear. Just leaving home. Nice crisp morning. One of my horses. Boot pack a little ways. But I'm on snow right away. Heading towards Indian Rock. Okay, today's objective is to ski the Couloir at Indian Rock. I don't know why I haven't done it yet. I look up at it all the time because I live right underneath it. So, I'm supposed to have a spotter for us. It's going to pick me up on the four-wheeler and go up part of the way at least. So, we'll see. We'll see. I'm supposed to meet him right up here. So, I'll get a little bit of a lift. And we'll see what happens, but conditions I think they're looking pretty good right now for skiing it. I should be able to get the drone up and take some self shots of it. We'll see how that goes, but within an hour or so I think I'll be up at the summit, maybe a little more than an hour depending on how bad the thicket is. We got a bushwhack through. Faster than the Anthony ski lift.
Yep.
Were you going at least, what is it, I think the highest speed we've seen is 4 miles an hour. That was a little bit of a bushwhack. Right down there through all that alder left over from the fire. Last little bit.
I'm gonna have some nice soft bare ground to walk on this side most of the way. I'm gonna be crossing here. It sucks anyway.
On my last little approach, actually snow on the south side of the rocks finally. Slipping a little bit on this new layer. And there's the lookout overlook structure you can kind of see.
Just lead up there or rocks out.
It's enough coverage for the wheelers to enjoy it. I'd say there's at least a foot or so. Looks about as good as it's ever going to be.
Yeah, I got a good viz on you now going across there.
Success wasn't the prettiest thing, but when I was skiing it, Forrest was way down on the ridge, so I was up by myself. He was spotting from there, so I exercised some caution there and took a slow turn above some rocks, and then the slough was moving pretty good, so I stopped and kind of let it go by. Feel it moving my feet some, but once that went by, skied it down to that avalanche debris pile, which I couldn't ski over. I could have, I guess, but there's some big chunks in there, so I cut into the woods. We'll see how the drone did, but I wasn't able to take any helmet cam footage because that camera died. But it was a good ski out, and then we hiked down and boot packed a little, flicked a few ticks off of us. I think Forrest found 3 on him. I haven't found any yet, but picked up one yesterday here. So I'll have to do some de-ticking when I get home. Anyway, it was a success. Look at that. Looks like I'm gonna make it just in time for lunch. There's home. Nice.